Hello, Joseph. So here is our daily report on Tuesday, so 3rd of September. We have came back to Magento Research, and we didn't do the demo on Magento. I was instead of that doing the estimates. How the things will go if we go this or other way. So if to go to the end of the topic, my decision is back to the using the original Node.js and making the shop from scratch, not using Magento. And this long story is the problem we encountered in the middle way is to use Magento. We will need to migrate the database to the different database MySQL, and also we add another technology, PHP, to the stack of technologies, and also we'll need to reduce the job already done. But the main reason is the estimate to do the admin part and import from files the list of the products. The estimate of doing these two features is 5 days, and integrating Magento is something like 4 or 7 days. So the same time. So in this first version, we will not experience any increasing of speed or saving money. Maybe we would increase the speed or save some money in the next versions, but right now we do not know if we will have finances to pay for these next versions. So that's why my guess is better to create these simple functions from scratch using some smaller libraries, like library for doing admin part and library for importing XLS files. And this way we are eliminating the risks of using some extra third-party technologies and not being able to do some job according to these technologies' limitations. On the way, we have been considering Keystone.js and Reaction Commerce frameworks, the webshop frameworks on Node.js. We didn't use them because they have small amount of the community and probably would have a lack of support. Also, later when we will come to the considering continue a project with a second version, we can come back to this decision with Magento. As for now, according to the research we have done, Magento is still looking like the best solution. But as I said, we will not rise a speed and save money with it, according to the plan of first version. Then also today, another guys have been implementing the integration of Unity on the server side. So they installed Unity, they together with Tanya activated the license. We have the ability to run Unity from the command line without graphical user interface. And also they created a project for scene testing. All necessary controllers for both client and server are written. So more or less tomorrow they are expected to continue with making the demo of the rendering on the server side, and in the end we will have a demo of the scene with baked lights. API for client server interaction is also written. So they have been struggling on the way with working without GUI, and they use the method to with the Docker container. So out of the Docker container they are connecting and running this Unity on the server, but we do not have access to write files on the server. This needs to be resolved tomorrow for everything to work. Also, I can mention this screenshot of the task tracking system. So we have considered a lot of stuff on the way of making this decision on Asana. And also we didn't finish a task of creating a server and selecting the server system with GPU, so with a physical graphics card on the server, and we will continue working on it tomorrow. So we are narrowing the list of the solutions, checking them one by one. That's it for today. Thank you for listening, and maybe you have some questions. As you said, when we have the user interface results or some questions about user interface front-end results, the plan is to have the meeting with you.